Giving plants fertilizers directly to their roots is an effective way to ensure they receive essential nutrients while also enriching the soil. This method turns your garden bed or container into a living compost bin, making the soil healthier and more fertile over time. Here's a simple and eco-friendly way to do it using recycled plastic bottles. Start by gathering old plastic bottles. Clean them thoroughly and make numerous small holes all around the bottles. These holes will allow the nutrients to seep into the soil. Next, cut the top part of the bottle, but leave it attached on one side to create a flap that can be opened and closed easily. This flap will help you add materials to the bottle and keep it covered. Bury the bottle in the soil near your plants, leaving just about ½ an inch of the top above the ground. The buried bottle should be close to the plant roots, but not directly touching them. This setup allows the nutrients to reach the roots more effectively. Now you can start adding organic materials that your plants need. Kitchen waste, weeds, compost, and banana peels are excellent choices. The type of material you add will depend on the needs of your plants at different growth stages. For instance, seedlings need a lot of nitrogen to grow strong. Adding weeds and then pouring water into the bottle will create a nitrogen-rich mixture. It takes about 4 to 5 days for the fermentation process to start, so you'll need to fill your bottle every other day or even daily during hot summer days. When your plants reach the flowering stage, their nutrient needs change. For example, tomato plants require more potassium at this stage. Instead of weeds or kitchen waste, you can add banana peels, which are rich in potassium. Chop the banana peels into small pieces before adding them to the bottle. This helps them decompose faster, providing nutrients more quickly to your plants. This method of using recycled bottles to deliver nutrients directly to plant roots has multiple benefits. It reduces waste by recycling plastic bottles and kitchen scraps, and it improves the health of your soil by continually adding organic matter. Over time, your soil becomes richer and more capable of supporting healthy plant growth. Plus, it's a low-cost and straightforward way to ensure your plants get the nutrients they need, exactly when they need them. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.